All right, guys, this is the start of a kind of rant little series on the Pixel Fold. Now, I'm not bagging on the Pixel Fold, but I'm just addressing some of the issues that I think that they're not really major issues. You're just not doing it right. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, the number one thing I've heard about people complaining about the Pixel Fold is that it does not open flat. Now, it does open flat. You're just not opening it all the way. I don't know if you're weak, you don't have enough muscles to open it all the way. Maybe you need to hit the gym, but it opens flat. I'm just joking. You don't have to hit the gym. I don't even go to the gym. But let me explain real quick. When you open the Pixel Fold, you're leaving it in the state of not opening completely flat. All you gotta do is open all the way and look, it's flat. There's no issues there. You're just not completely unfolding the phone all the way. You think you're like treating it like a gentle, delicate piece of hardware. Open it all the way and you wouldn't have any issues. There's no issues with the Pixel Fold not opening 180 degrees and laying flat. It lays flat. Obviously, it's not going to lay flat. It's going to rock because of the camera hump in the back, but the screen does lay flat. And when you do this, it does mitigate that crease in the middle. When you're watching movies, watching anything, consuming content on the inner display, with it fully open, you can't even tell the creases there. The only time you can tell the creases there is when you look at it at an angle or anything like that. You can barely tell. But besides that, there's no issues with the Pixel Fold opening 180 degrees and opening flat. I know a lot of reviewers are saying like that's one of the reasons why they're sending it back, but that's not a reason because it's not the Pixel Fold's fault. It is your fault. You ain't opening it all the way correctly. Let me know down in the comment section below if you need me to do a step-by-step explanation on how to properly open up your Pixel Fold. I'll gladly walk you through it in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!